Hello guys, Igor here doing one more AppSumo review, and today I'm gonna show you how you can easily create an Instagram reel and share it from your PC to Instagram using Streann Studio. It's pretty easy and I'm gonna show you now. First, you're gonna go to the portrait mode, you're gonna click here. And then you're gonna customize with your logo or not. One thing that I did, I created a background for my Instagram Reels with my brand on the middle. Just create any background and add your brand on the middle and you're gonna get that result. For instance, here is one of those random backgrounds on Stream Studio, and that's mine, or my brand on the middle. And then you're gonna configure what you want. And remember that you should select the local recording, okay? First you share your cam, I'm gonna share mine and I'm gonna see me here. So I am here. And then you're gonna click on go live. And on go live, add the title of your Instagram Reels. Then you add the description. Director name is your name. It's the name that will appear on your lower third. Then you click here on local recording. Only that one, none of the others. And then you click start. And you start to record your Instagram Reels. Okay? Remember that you need 60 seconds, no more, to record your Instagram Reel. And that's it. Then you record it, you click here to finish, click here to finish on the middle, and you see your recording here on the left. It will show automatically, you can see here. I already have one that I posted on my Instagram Reel yesterday. And you can share automatically clicking here, okay? But you still will not be able to select Reels. So for that, you need to download your Reel. Clicking here, you're gonna download it. And to upload from your PC, I recommend a tool called Insist. It's a Chrome extension, and from that Chrome extension, you can easily create a reel and even add a cover. It's the tool that I recommend for that. See here, I have a reel here. You're gonna click here and Reels, and then you're gonna, of course, upload the video. Can you see here? Then you click on next. You're gonna write your caption. You can create a custom cover or select one of them, of those covers. And you even have a hashtag assistant that can create collections on Insist. Then you just copy all and you add your hashtags here and also the title of your reels, etc. And then you just click on share. So without the need of editing, I usually add, I upload to Remaster Media. That's another tool past AppSumo deal to improve my audio. And then I do small cuts if I made any mistake. And then I upload my reel. You can upload with a cover or not, or just select an auto cover that Insist will give you. But you don't need to, create from your cell phone, your mobile, or you don't need even to edit the screen after you record. You can just use Stream Studio to exactly create an Instagram Reel. And Instagram Reel now is trending. So that tool, that new tool on AppSumo, will give you the advantage to create many Instagram Reels with no hassle. So that's the best feature that they have. And then you just use Insist to share your Instagram Reel from your PC. Or you can just send to your mobile the Reel and post on your mobile. Okay? Thank you so much. Bye-bye.